Hi everyone, we're going to make a makeup tutorial. So first, you should comb your hair like that and you use a comb. Okay? There. And you use headband. Like that. And first, you should make our lipstick. Okay. And I want you to use um coloring pens, little hands, coloring pens. And next, we're going to use eyeshadow. Oh wait, this is not an eyeshadow, this is a ball pen. No, this is the real eyeshadow and I want you to use Sharpie. There. There.
May blue. Here. Then dinted ko talaga.
And next, we're going to powder our face. So we will be a white lady. So there.
There.
And I want you to use Johnson
And cologne.
and cologne like this. And I want you to use this is the cologne.
A cologne.
There. And we're gonna make facial wash. And I recommend you to use Aveeno Baby.
Fun.
Okay. So there.
There.
And stick it to your face.
And you put in your body.
There. And I want you to cut your kilay.
And I'm done.
Not yet. We're gonna sunglasses. Oh, I mean our glasses.
I'm in your glass.
To make you look cute.
Pretty.
Come on. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
I'm foggy. I'm sexy.
Huh? Okay, bye.